Ready for the new DIY store experience? Are you looking for professional materials for your current project, or just a little something for the garden? Experience the HELLWEG professional DIY stores now with Snabble on your smartphone and scan your products in the store by yourself. Tools, small parts, wooden goods, paints, plants, or garden utensils for the ambitious beginner or the professional craftsman. With the Snabble app, you'll skip the checkout line and get more time to choose the right products. Download the app, enter the store, hold the product in front of the camera, and you're done. You can see the total price at all times. And while the others are still standing in line, you pay at the additional scan and go checkout and simply walk out. Download the app now and experience how relaxed and convenient shopping can be today. Scan, pay, done. That's Snabble.